Exercise 5, mathematical induction, divisibility type. Prove by mathematical induction that 5 to the n plus 3 is divisible by 4 for n greater than or equal to 1. Now just pause the video. Okay, now let's see. We'll start with n equals 1. For n equals 1, we can say that 5 to the n plus 3 must be equal to 4j, where j is an integer. So the left-hand side becomes just 5 plus 3, which is 8, which is, of course, 4 times 2. Now j equals 2, so it's an integer. Therefore, it's equal to the right-hand side. Okay, now, therefore, the statement is true for n equals 1. Now we'll assume the statement is true for n equals k. That is 5 to k plus 3 equals 4, and I'll just put a little dash above that, making it a different sort of integer, not the same one. Okay, so j is an integer. That's my assumption statement. We can say that j dash is an integer. Okay, now prove the statement is true for n equals k plus 1. That is 5 to k plus 1 plus 3 equals 4. Another integer, say j double dash. That's p. Okay. Now, I'm going to make the left-hand side the same. So I'm going to first of all multiply both sides of this by 5. So this will be the same here. So multiply both sides of a by 5. So now I'll take do this. I'll get 5 to k plus 3. I'm going to multiply that by 5. And then here we got the 4j dash, and I'm going to multiply that by 5. Alright. So this now becomes 5 to k plus 1 plus 15 equals 20j dash. Now we need a 3 there, don't we? Not a 15. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. And I get 5 to k plus 1 plus 3 equals 20j dash minus 12. So the left-hand side is fine. So now we'll take out a common factor of 4 here. And we get 4 outside of 5j dash minus 3. But if j dash is an integer, then 5 times integer is another integer. Taken away another integer, it will be another integer. So this is just for j double dash. Therefore, which equals the right-hand side of p. Therefore, the statement is true for n equals k plus 1. Now, the statement is true for n equals 1. So, by mathematical induction, the statement is true for all n greater than or equal to 1.